Alright, today we got a tenor preset. I'm gonna show y'all what it sounds like without the preset on, and then I'm gonna show y'all the rest later. Posted up in ATL. Yeah, we on some YVL shit. Yeah, we finna pop to the function. We got bad bitches all around us. Fine shit, none of my lotto. Yeah, she throwing ass out of dump truck. You know she wild with a waddle. Yeah, we smoking good gas, that's in the air. Getting too high, not even here. I mean, as we can see, it sounds pretty alright without the preset, and I'm gonna show y'all what it sounds like with the preset on. Posted up in ATL. Yeah, we on some YVL shit. Yeah, we finna pop to the function. We got bad bitches all around us. Fine shit, none of my lotto. Yeah, she throwing ass out of dump truck. You know she wild with a waddle. Yeah, we smoking good gas, that's in the air. Getting too high, not even here. Alright, if y'all wanna buy this preset, it's gonna be like $5 in the description. It's gonna be pay hip or whatever. It does come with an ad lib preset. So if y'all enjoy, go cop.